example test le shwera and tharing anso understanding quadrilateral ki part new di changa and tharing ki topic dikhar rela na any angle sum property of quadrilateral ra the quadrilateral la khazu angle khazu la na anso la angle shear ta khonso angle changma domne and khonso ji sum di khazu li me hon anso cher ra angle sum property of quadrilateral. So we are in quadrilateral there are four angles and we are going to find out what is the sum of the quadrilateral, means the measurement of the sum of the quadrilateral. So suppose if we draw a quadrilateral A, B, C and D ra ta A, B, C and D manzo khare zinde dumbala jangre ra zinde dumbala khar jangre la na any angle sum property of triangle ra angle sum property of triangle jangdi jamba manzo ki khar jangla na angle sum property of triangle gi sum dikha li la na any gada gejulir kind na angle sum yora any angle sum ga dumdi zamba triangle nanglo la digi sum di gada gejulir the quadrilateral di anso khande solve chela na with the help of angle sum property of triangle khande chela na we are going to diagonal jikthe ra diagonal jikthe ra d ne b ba do diagonal jikthe re the quadrilateral di anso khari nanglo la chela na we make it into two triangles ra when we take a diagonal, a quadrilateral will divide it into two triangles. Okay, so your first triangle is a triangle A, B and D, and your second triangle is triangle D, B and C. Right. Okay, the thangbo anso khare first we are going to find out the triangle A, B, D. Right. Okay class, ta khaje la na anso ki triangle khari share la na thangbo triangle A, B, D ga share. Right. So in triangle ABD that triangle ABD ki nanglo lang anso la khare na we have three angles, angle A, angle B and angle D loga ra okay ta thangbo anso se the triangle ABD ki nanglo lang anso la khar li la na triangle ABD ki nanglo lang anso la khar li la thangbo di khar li ta angle BAD lar okay thangbo di khar li la anso la BAD lar so center la khale se angle A lesa so angle BAD di thangbali re niwa de la khali la na any angle ABD ra A ne tan taw na ABD ra BAD di thangbali re niwa de khali la na angle ABD okay sumba de la khali la na ta thangbo de la khale se BAD ABD sumba de la khali la na any BDA ra angle BDA ra tata tikha la na angle A ge shore kima di B li da the angle D ge shore go se angle BAD angle ABD and angle BDA and dinzo ki sum dikha chu li la na nganzo sing de kewala dumbala chang sar ra 180 degree lead 180 degree is their sum. Is it clear? Khande li la na reason behind angle sum got it angle sum any property of triangle. Is it clear? So angle sum property of triangle lead angle sum property of triangle and this is our equation number 1. Is it clear? Okay, now similarly coming to the second triangle we are finding for the triangle D, B and C. So similarly in triangle DBC so what we find is in triangle DBC nanglo la nganso ki khari find out chila na any okay so we will again find here three different angles. So first angle is angle DBC niwa de khali la na thangbo the DBC li re niwa the BCD li ra DBC is your first angle, the second angle is any DBC is the first one, BCD is the second one, and the third one is CDB. Is it clear? And the third one is CDB. Angle C, D and B. Okay, again their sum is 180 degree and this is equation number 2. Is it clear? Okay, now we find out the different angles over here. We already find the 6 different angle over here. Okay, so here angle B, here angle is C, and here the angle is D, because it's the main day. Okay, we are going to add these two equation 1 and 2, and we are going to find out the sum of this quadrilateral. Okay, so now adding equation 1 and 2. Now we are going to add the equation 1 and 2. So directly we will add, this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. Okay, this is your equation 1 and this is your equation 2. The equation 1 dita equation 1 la khar kar lete hain angle. In equation 1 we have an angle BAD plus angle ABD plus any angle DBA plus color DBA. Okay, BAD, ABD, any BDA. The third one is angle BDA. The fourth is angle DBC. The fourth one is angle DBC. Now angle BCD and angle CDB. How was it? So we have a 6 different angle BAD, ABD, and then BDA. Similarly, DBC, BCD, and CDB. And tinsu ni ka khare side ni ka khare na 180 degree plus 180 degree. Is it clear? Dibat sang much has okay. That dibat sang much has bata. Anso khachi la na ta. Okay. Now angle BAD as it is. Marang just shoot anso ki. Ta angle thangbo di kare BAD marang just shoot Niyo de lagan so khache la na. Any angle ABD ler. Tata angle ABD ta angle ABD ta angle any DB angle ABD thang any angle DBC angle tada kimal angle B kha do shembala angle ABD do dela angle B de kimal angle A dela angle D dela angle B dela angle C dela angle D ta nyam do share da so ha sa okay thangbo di B angle A chiwa khatsu du dela equation dela kangchik machminda so BAD di marang ja shire tata ABD ta DBC di ni di nyam do shanal ta DBC ndi sharde manzo ge angle ABD da DBC nyam do shana B ni ka la common angle chikba chikya BCD di ngamzo la chik machminda marang ja shire BCD di marang ja shire ani khare CDB any BDA angle BDA and tinsu ka domna hasuli de their sum is 360 degree. Is it clear? Okay, tata BAD ler angle BAD ler samba angle A lesa thangbo de la niwa de la khachire ABD tha DBC ler ABD tha DBC ni domna ler. Okay, when we are adding these two, okay, angle BAD de la khachile de this is your angle A and angle ABD the angle DBC la na common you will get angle B over here. Is it clear? Okay, BCD. The BCD ler common angle दिखा ले से means BCD ना वाला angle दिखा जो ले से angle C ler. Similarly, okay. Similarly, tini kachi angle दिखा जो ली लाना. Here you will get angle D. Is it clear? And their sum is 360 degree ler. So this is your answer. This will be your answer. Khache lana ta angle BAD tikachi kachi angle A le re ra angle ABD ta DBC domnaler tini ni domba ina ra when we are adding these two you will get angle B and then angle C le re and CDB ta BDA ni domne ta da kima angle dikha re do D re da ra re do khala se ngi ki CDB ta any kare B kare do CDB ta teta kam chikta okay CDB ta and kare any BDA ra common angle दिखा ली रे D ली रा okay ta din sama khare any kya da geju ni domnaler ra triangle ni gaji samdi kya da geju lokale sani ka domne khal chelna sumkya thukchu cher koju se so the angle sum property of quadrilateral ra and quadrilateral kashi angle kashi sum angle shi kaji sum di domna ngansula answer dikha chuli lana any degree dikha chuli lana and sumkya thukchu li koju se okay this is how we are going to find out the angle sum property of quadrilateral. Okay class, now on the basis of angle sum property of a quadrilateral, we are going to solve a question ra. The pen shashana ko thiwa 100 lead angle sum property of triangle la. In la thiwa find measure x la in the figure la. So this is figure given for you, that is quadrilateral A, B, C and D. So three angles are given for you and one is unknown. X means it is unknown for you. You don't know what is the value of x. So you are going to find out the value of x in this quadrilateral. Is it clear? So how we will solve this? By using angle sum property of quadrilateral. Ra thandaran jane ngamsogi. Ra okay. So angle sum property of quadrilateral, what we had learned that here you have four different angle. There is angle 1, angle 2, okay, third is angle C and the angle D, and their sum is 360 degree. Is it clear? Okay class, now according to this diagram, angle A is 120, angle B is X, you don't know, angle C is 150 degree and angle D is 30 degree. So with the help of this diagram, you are going to substitute these degrees in this angle, these different angles. So angle A is 120. So in place of angle A, you substitute 120 degree. Okay, angle A is 120 degree, and in place of B, you substitute X, which is already given in your diagram. Angle C is 150 degree and angle D is 30 degree. Okay, is equals to 360 degree. Okay class. Now we are going to add these degree. So 120, 150 and then 30 degree. Manzo ki 150, 120 and 130. We are going to add all these. So 150 degree, 150 degree plus 30 degree is 180 degree plus 120. 180 degree plus 120, it will become 300 degree. So 300 degree plus x is equals to 360 degree. Okay class, now x on a left hand side 360 as it is. Okay, now 300 degree, we are going to shift this 300 from left hand side towards the right hand side. Here it's positive 300 degree, and when this shift from left hand side towards the right, its operation will be changed and it convert into negative 300 degree. Okay, now when you subtract 300 from 360, what you will get? You will get the value of x. So the value of x is 60 degree. Is it clear? This is how you are going to find out the value of unknown number with the help of angle sum property of quadrilateral. Is it clear? Okay, thank you class and have a fruitful day.